from PE2, and today I'll be sharing to you about the 1872 Cavite Mutiny, how it was viewed by the Spaniard, how Filipinos responded, and what the important lesson we can learn from it. From the Spanish perspective, the Cavite Mutiny was seen as a major uprising or conspiracy to overthrow the Spanish government in the Philippines. A Spanish historian, Jose Montero y Vidal, and Governor General Rafael Esquerdo both claimed that the mutiny was planned revolution led by educated natives, local press, and residents of Cavite and Manila. They said it started when Filipino workers in Cavite Arsenal lost their privileges like exemption from taxes and forced labor and decided to do a rebel. Governor Esquerdo exaggerated the event, describing Filipinos as gullible and even born to steal. Because of this false report, the Spaniards used the mutiny as an excuse to punish innocent people, especially the three priests, the Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora, known as Gomburza. They were executed by garrote on February 17, 1872 to instill fear among Filipinos. On the other hand, the Filipino perspective, as explained by Dr. Trinidad Pardo de Tavera, was very different. He said the Cavite Mutiny was not a rebellion, but a small protest caused by workers' anger over losing their privileges under Esquerdo's harsh rule. So, Filipino scholars believe the Spanish friars took advantage of the situation. They exaggerated it into a grand conspiracy so they could maintain their power and influence in the Philippines. So, especially after the Spain's plan to remove friars from running schools and government offices. Because of this injustice, many innocent Filipinos were arrested, exiled, or killed. However, the death of Gomburza awakened Filipino nationalism, inspiring future heroes like Jose Rizal to fight for reforms and independence. So, my reflection about this, for me, the story of 1872 Cavite Mutiny teaches us an important lesson about the truth and injustice here in the Philippines. But at the same time, it shows bravery and unity of Filipinos who stood up for what was right. So the sacrifices of Gomburza and the Filipino workers become the spark that lit the flame of our nationalism and eventually led to our independence in 1898. So as a student, we must remember their courage to seek truth, stand against injustice, and love our country. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Once again, I am JD Maraca, sharing the story of the 1872 Cavite Mutiny, a reminder that from injustice, the spirit of freedom can rise.